Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a glowing image effect in After Effects. Before we begin making this effect, I want to let you know that I'm giving away a Deep Glow plugin. To get it for free, like this video, follow me on Instagram and write me a magic words, Deep Glow. And now we can begin making that easy and cool effect. Here I have added my main clip and another clip that I'm going to use as an image. Select that top one layer and press S on your keyboard, set scale to around 50%. Now duplicate that layer, select bottom one and increase scale to about 70%. Now press P on your keyboard to open position and slightly move position down. To create this effect you can use 3 effects. One of them is a plugin that I'm giving away, a Deep Glow. Another 2 options are free. First one is a tilt effect and another is fill effect. But this video is about a glowing frames and a deep glow, so I will use that plugin and give it away to you. Under a deep glow, increase radius to 2000. Now select both top layers and pre-compose them into one layer. Rename it to frame and make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration are selected and then click on OK. Toggle off frame layer for a while and select your bottom main clip. Go to tracker now and click on track camera. Once the analyzing is done, select some points, then right-click and select Create Solid and Camera. Toggle on frame layer now and link it to track solid. Also enable 3D on frame layer. Now change X, Y, and Z, position it and then scale it as much as you will enjoy. Once you are happy, toggle off track solid layer. I will play around with its position and scale a bit. It looks cool to me. Now let's select frame, 3D tracker, and track solid layer and pre-compose them into one layer. I will rename it to a frame. Now duplicate frame layer and select bottom one, rename it to glow. Add a deep glow plugin on it. And now we have that glowing image frame. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.